Hi everyone, it's Donji here. As some of you know already, I'm an assistant GM for Great Clips, and I'm also a part of the national design team for Great Clips Incorporated. So today we're gonna have another unboxing session, two this time. So before I open the boxes, I just want to let you know where these boxes are from. I have contacted Stylecraft and they sent me these boxes for me to test. So I will be doing another video for the product review. So as for now, let's open these babies. Alright, so I think we're gonna start up with the smaller one. I know you guys are probably saying that you're doing it upside down. Well, I just don't want everyone to see where my address is. Unless you want to send me cool stuff like Stylecraft, then yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Invoice. Ooh, what is this? Looks like a lightsaber, look at that. Alright, so this is the Gamma Plus Glory i4, 5? I don't know, I gotta look that up. So, let's open it up. Looks like a flat iron. It's nice packaging. Comes like that. Got plastic on. So this is my first time opening this up. So as you can see, I'm kind of struggling. Alright, let's take that plastic off. And it came with a user manual. So that's the flat iron. It's got a hefty weight to it. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do a full review about the products. And right now I am just doing the unboxing. Alright, let's put this baby away. Okay, let's go for the bigger box. Christmas came early this time of year. Oh, this one had a lot of stuff in it. Really stuffed it in there. Alright, first off, we got the metal edition. Instinct, my favorite. This one is the Clipper. SC Pro Metal Edition Instinct. Gamma Plus Absolute Hitter. And it's a trimmer, this one. I'm gonna be doing a lot of product review and a set of magnetic Stylecraft guards right here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. And we have another SC Rogue professional clipper right there. I'm gonna bring this down here. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. And Gamma Plus Hybrid, classic functionality meets new age brushless tech. It's a hair dryer. Looks super cool. Alright. And an Ergo professional modular clipper. I actually have one of these already, but this might be a new one. Oh my god, it just keeps on coming. Lightweight foldable dryer. This one looks so awesome. It's like perfect because I do quite a bit traveling for the national design team, and this would be perfect for me. And finally, but not the least, cordless mini blower and vacuum. So this one is actually really good for cleaning up your tools. So there it is, man. And like I said, I will be doing some product reviews for the next videos coming up soon. All right, stay tuned. Thank you so much.